go.
My name is Cooper.
Hi, my name is Jackson. We're going to be attempting to do this volcano. So, yeah, we're going to probably fail, but who cares? So, what does it say first? We
gotta put water
in there. This is really dumb.
I'm gonna spill this so much, so oh, it's still going in lots. Okay. Wait, do we need to fill it up to the top probably? I don't know. It just says fill up with water, so I'm guessing fill it up with top. To the top. I'm just going to.
Oh, it's overflowing. Is that foaming though? Because if it's not foaming, we've broken this whole entire thing. It's not going to.
Oh no! Look, it's turning white. It's like turning.
I think this is enough. Just leave it. Leave it. Yeah, so this is not foaming, so we probably have failed.
Nah, it will. It takes time. Look, it's turning white.
Let's get a bit closer.
Yeah, it's.
Mommy, do you think it's gonna work?
I don't know, but
We actually don't think it's gonna work. I don't.
Well,
gotta remember it's nearly a year old. We've had it for a while.
No, we haven't.
Yeah, your birthday last year.
This birthday. Oh yeah, birthday last year.
yeah,
It's not seeming to foam up.
I think we might have just.
I think it's supposed to get.
Just leave it,
I think it's supposed to get the black jug, from the black flag from the thing.
Wait, we'll just see what happens.
Oh, it starts bubbling.
Oh, here it goes. It's bubbling. Oh, dang, here it comes.
Okay, YouTube, come on close.
Yeah, I'm very close, Jake. No, I'm right on
That's
it.
it. And closer.
What's that? Wait,
It's making bubbles. What? Water's turning different colour.
Oh, yeah, it's like turning like orangey.
What does it say? It says it's supposed to foam up.
Yeah, wait, oh my gosh. It's like, oh, legit piece. Had like a
Maybe
little
we
piece
weren't
coming
supposed
up.
to do it to the top.
Well, it's foaming.
Did say to fill it
Yeah,
up.
it did say to fill it up. Oh, look, it's foaming. Look, all that foam's coming out. Look at all of it. Damn. Come in.
I'm in.
Holy moly, it's coming in lots now. Look at it.
Oh my goodness. I can't wait for it to turn into a donster. It's going to turn into a donster.
Let's go to the monster. I'm just saying that means a dinosaur.
And a monster.
Oh my gosh, it's going so fast.
Later today we might do a searching for the beast video, so
Oh yeah,
check that out.
so stay
And-
tuned.
But stay tuned, yeah, because I'm going to drop my friend off.
Whoa, it's bubbling.
Whoa, you guys see that?
It's bubbling crazy.
Get on top.
Please.
Record from on
Mama.
top. Remember, you don't use that word
Oh,
on
yeah.
YouTube.
Oh, we don't use manners? No, we don't use manners.
See, Kat? It's
Oh,
blubbering.
that's cool.
Wait, and then do side. Yeah,
I think the side looks better.
Guys, this is insane.
It's coming out.
Like and
really
subscribe if you think this is going to work. We've already got
And
one.
leave a comment down below and say what you think.
Think
Oh,
what you
wait, look.
say. Oh, it's cracking open.
It's cracking. It's
YouTube.
like, look, it's like cracking on the see that line right there? It's like cracking. Oh, damn, it's getting really steamy. Oh no, that's just the extra water.
Look at it, Jake.
See that, YouTube? See the crack?
No, yep.
That's insane, YouTube.
That's the crack. Okay. Wait. Look how fast the bubbles are going now.
Yeah.
It's turning like orange. Okay, Jason, come down. Holy moly!
Gotta
It's
get
like,
a good post for the
it's
thumbnail.
getting so much. It's getting so much foam now.
Oh, it's cracking open. Oh, I can't wait to
It's
see it.
turning white.
I think it's supposed to turn into a donster.
My dance the. Holy moly! Look at the bottom. It's all like so orange.
Get that? You get that? You get that on
Oh,
camera?
I know why. Because it's because you know how the water it just it's like ripples off it, so it's probably all at the bottom.
Oh my gosh, it's cracky. I don't think this is doing much.
Nah, don't
sorry.
worry, Jackson. Volcanoes take time.
Yeah.
Oh crap. It's coming out so it's like a lot at the same time. It's going so fast too. Cause normally only little bits come out fast, but the whole like lots. What do you think? Do you think like the hole's getting bigger?
Oh, is it?
It looks like it's getting a little bit bigger. Kind of.
I'm not gonna drink it.
Don't drink that. It's like
It's erupting, everybody.
it's turning white.
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably like the last coat of it, and then it's just gonna crack.
Yeah, I think that's what happened with in school.
Probably.
They said how it cracks.
Holy. Jackson, look at the top, like from right below. And look at all the bubbles. The bubbles are like pushing out. Like they're making like a bubble ring. See?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's turning. Look at how much foam it's got all around the sides.
I think this is working, sort of.
This is working, I'm pretty sure.
We're going for 5 minutes. So it's going to be a long video.
Dang, probably going to be a longer
We could
video.
update you later when it's the dinosaur thing.
Yeah.
We'll finish this video and then we'll talk. Yeah. So, can't wait for the dinosaur.
Dang, it's
You
coming.
guys see that crack already? There.
Yeah, that crack's
It's
like,
starting to crack
it's
open.
like getting bigger and bigger. It's getting bigger and bigger. It's like, it's kind of like it's, like,
It's like a block of
like, look at it now. It's like all orange up here. See, it's like, it's like,
subscribe.
subscribe.
dang. Look how big, and it actually has gone bigger because look at all the foam on the top.
Well, the water's turned orange, yeah?
Yeah.
It turned orange once it started erupting.
Dang.
Maybe it's some magical magic.
Damn. Ooh. Okay. I'll just pull this water out, right? Or should I keep it? Keep the water?
it. Oh, no, pour it out. Pour it out.
It's up to you. Whatever, it's only water. Are we done?
No, we're not done because look at it. It's bubbling up heaps.
Yeah.
Maybe your boys could come and hold the video.
Oh, wait. You should put it on the stand. It can, like, stand up, see? By itself. If you fling this out. Wait. Yeah. Okay, now. And I pull it back. Oh, wait. You gotta, like, push it back like that.
Out of the...
No, that still doesn't stand. Who
Oh,
cares? It's worth it. This is worth recording. How long has this been going for?
7.25 minutes.
7.25 minutes.
Well, they've got nothing better to do.
Well, they might be curious.
Look, all the bottom now, guys. Like, see, from this perspective, all that orange is gone.
You see? All that orange is now.
Look at that. It's like, only like little tiny bits of it is on.
See? Look, only little tiny bits of it is on.
Oh my gosh, it's turning into like a fizzy drink. It's like, oh, look at all the bubbles. It looks like Fanta too, yeah.
Especially around here. Just a bunch of
And look at the
bubbles
bubbles. It's like a flower on the top. Look.
It is.
Look at it on the top.
Like condensation.
Yeah.
eh?
Looks like a flower on the top. It's like a flower. Like, see? It's like a flower.
It's starting to slow down a little bit.
Yeah, it's starting to slow down a little bit. All of it's rising though.
We almost won our game of Fortnite today.
Yeah, Jackson came second. We came second.
Well done.
So, well, but it was kind of unfair because we were, because they had so much, well, it wasn't really unfair, but they had so much,
video.
they had so much better loot than us. Oh, look at the crack, guys. Guys,
Look,
it's coming, look at this, right here. It's coming, the crack is like in the middle of the volcano. Now, all the stuff's coming out.
The dinosaur will be in there. So it's starting to crack up along the...
Yeah, I'm just
It's
checking.
getting way less coloured.
Are the bubbles coming out that crack too?
Yeah, they are. I'm just checking if there's any
Oh my
crack.
gosh, guys, do you see that? The big crack right
So,
there.
look at
Yeah.
the small bubbles.
You guys see that
It's
crack?
such a big crack.
I know. How about it, guys? Like and subscribe if you think this is gonna work.
Oh my gosh.
Like for the dinosaur.
Oh my god, look how big, look how much more, like, stuff is coming out, like bubbles.
foot.
Jackson. Do you want to hold this now?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. Literally insane, guys.
Look. Look at a big crack now.
It's time not to look like a flower on the top.
It's all mucked up now. Look how big it is.
Insane shots. Play the music.
I'm just picking this off, wait.
Don't pick it off. They can't see. Could they?
No, but it's just the warning thing because there might be something under there. Oh, who cares? Okay, well anyway.
That's the crack. It's getting way bigger, guys. You see?
Look at that. Oh my gosh. But look how much more stuff's coming up. Look at the normal volcano in the top. Look at that. It's like pouring. That's, oh my gosh, Jackson. Come over here, look at this. Look at the bottom. It's starting to like levitate off the ground. Look. See that? Right at the bottom where my finger is. See where my finger is? It's like levitating off the ground. Look at this. Like, see? Like the bottom of the rim.
Yeah. Oh, I said a cast, by the way.
Oh yeah, I got a cast. It's camera. But yeah, can you see? Yay. Yeah, it's like right at the, it's like levitating. Oh my gosh! Guys. Look how big the crack is now.
Oh my god, guys. Like and subscribe for this crack. This is insane, guys.
And look at the bottom.
No, let's just stay the same. We don't need to worry about that. That's clickbait at the bottom. That's
Yeah.
our channel at the top. Or we can probably...
Dang. Oh, it's starting to get at the top, so it like makes like another, like it cracks open. It's like, holy moly.
We can move.
Oh, there's another crack.
What should we name this?
There's a crack.
Come see the come.
And there's another crack starting up here. See this?
Clickbait. It's not clickbait, guys. Move your finger.
There it is.
That's insane, guys. Flick back to the
The big one?
the big one.
Okay, there it is.
What? It's insanely bigger now.
Oh, you can see a little object in there. Look, look, see the object in there? Zoom in. Can you see that little dark thing in there? It's like, it's really, really dark.
Can you see it? Look.
See? That little, it's like a little head.
Comment to see what it is.
Up there.
Oh, that's it's focusing for once.
You see? Right above my finger.
Move your finger, Cooper. There.
Jackson. Oh, look at that massive pile of bubbles. It's like, right there. Look at that big pile of bubbles.
That other crack.
Oh, the other crack? Let's see if it's bigger. Whoa!
Turn it.
Guys, look at the other crack. It's monstrous now. Look at it. Oh my gosh. And look how much
Have to
stuff's...
wait 12 minutes.
Oh my gosh, guys. I can see an eye in here. I can see an eyeball.
Turn it.
Look, can you see the eyeball? Wait, I'll point at my finger. It's above my finger. See that little black thing?
Hold the camera. I need to see in real life.
Look at this.
Hold the camera.
Wait, look. Now for this angle, you can probably see it. Look at this angle.
You
Wait.
see that?
Wait, oh, the bubbles are covering it. See that little black thing?
Yeah, hold the camera.
That little black thing.
You
Look,
turn, hold the
can
camera.
see it. Let's just look at it right now. See? Look at guys. It's look at it. Subscribe. Look at that black thing.
Hold it. You hold it.
What?
I've been holding it for way longer.
Just put it into the stand. Like that. Sorry guys, it's shaking, but yeah. Okay, it's
Yes,
good.
it's proof.
So, oh my god.
That is insane.
Oh, what's the other side going to be looking like right now? Wait, look! Guys, it's like fully open right now.
Do you guys see that? I'm gonna zoom in.
Wait, and look at the other side. What the? Look. And then this.
After this, guys, after this video, we're gonna make another video of showing you what this fully looks like with out water maybe.
Yeah, we're going to show you what's inside the volcano.
Like and subscribe to. Oh my god, guys! Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, guys, you won't believe what's in here. Dun 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 dun.
Okay,
Oh my goodness, guys!
oh my gosh, look at that eye. Did you see that eye? It's really clear now. Wait, you should be able to see it.
Oh, guys, turn it!
Can the camera see it?
Turn it!
Oh yeah, look at this.
Put it down!
There it is, right there. The eye. See the eye? That little black dot.
Stop. We're gonna put that up closer.
You don't look. See, now you're gonna see the top. We've got to put it out. Wait, turn a little bit.
see that?
See that little thing right there? That little tiny dot. Wait, I'll move it a little bit.
And you can see the whole thing.
Yeah, basically. Oh my gosh, guys, from this point of view, look, see that little outline. It's the dinosaur. See that? Oh, there's the eyeball. That's the
Yeah,
that's
see
the
this,
bubble.
guys. This is insane.
That is insane.
Look, it's just cracked open.
It's fully open now, guys.
Like
oh my
to
god.
see comments and.
Oh, there's the eyeball. See, now you guys can see it clearly. Right there.
Oh, a little bit easier. I'm a cool
Oh my gosh, it's done. Look, it's the front bit just chopped off.
Wait till it foams.
Look at it.
Yeah, wait till it foams.
That
I'm
that
gonna get
whole
Mum.
big dinosaur thing.
I'm gonna get Mum.
Okay.
Mummy.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look. It's like, seriously, the whole thing is like, it's like done. The dinosaur's out.
It's freezing up.
It's
You
like,
Calm down.
you have to see this, like, I wish you guys can see this in real life. It's like so cool. It's like a lot more bigger now.
Can you come down so I can see it in real life? What are you doing?
No, luckily.
Do you guys see that? Oh my god, that's a dinosaur.
It's a massive big dinosaur. Look at the side of the eye. See that eye?
You guys see it?
Oh, wait, you guys probably can't. Oh, you guys can't see it. Wait. Yeah, if you guys saw this in real life, you'd definitely be able to see it. Oh, it's focusing. There it is. Look at it. Look how clear that is. Okay, just keep it like that. Keep it exactly like that. See, there's the eye, and there's like the dinosaur sculpture.
Oh, you guys see that, right?
Yeah, that should be. Yeah. It's like, oh my gosh.
It's a standing up dinosaur.
It's fizzing up so much right now.
Let's not empty it out just yet. Let's wait till this thing. Well, should
Yeah.
we empty it now? Because it's pretty much done.
Oh yeah, just saying, guys.
This is exciting.
Then
For us.
the instructions said that you need to empty it, when it starts to when the dinosaur appears. So
No, I
we're
thought it
probably
was-
gonna be doing it soon.
Ending it soon.
Yeah.
Should we do our outro now?
Well, that comes to the end of the video.
Thanks for watching, guys.
And please subscribe. Thank you.
Here, guys, is a quick update. This is
So look at this. This is like the finishing product without any of the water.
And it's
look. Wait. Oh, sun. It's terrible. Wait. Okay, there you go. Look at that dinosaur. It's like a full dinosaur. That's and look at the shell of the volcano.
Wait, I'll cut.
See the white.
Yeah, it's so white.
The volcano.
Okay, guys, so we need to fill it up with new water. So
Yeah, we've got to fill it up with new water. So we'll be right back. Just wait there.
just wait there. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Okay, it's still going on. So, and also it's gonna grow bigger.
Take that, it's gonna grow bigger.
Yeah, it's gonna grow bigger when we it's kind of like a plant. It's kind of like a
It's like sort of like a plant.
you gotta keep on giving it fresh water. So we just gave it lots of fresh water, and it's really clear. So we'll just give you a quick view of that.
Wait, leave it.
So here's the view.
Wait, I just need to dry it first, so it's cool.
Okay.
You guys will never see what it looks like.
So
If Jackson lives, you guys will not see this one.
look at that. That's full of
That's new
water.
That's new water.
Yeah. And you probably guys can't even. It looks like it doesn't have any water in it, but a little bit of bubbles are coming off. But yeah.
That's basically been it.
Yeah. Well,
We'll update you soon.
thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe.